My name is Fiza Ahmed. I am currently studying Bachelor of Science in Zoology. Huzur, I want to know how students can study the Holy Qur'an alongside their usual studies. How can we research the Holy Qur'an and science side by side?
You see, being a Muslim, you should recite the Holy Qur'an daily. And while doing tilawat, you should also read the translation of it alongside. Then you will know what you are reading from the Holy Qur'an. And apart from that, you are studying zoology, then you try to find out the verses from the Holy Qur'an which are related to science and the existence of the human being and the life on the earth. Then you can study and relate those verses with your subject, and then this is how you can get more enlightened about your subject from the Holy Qur'an. So you'll have to give some time on this and read some commentaries on it. If you cannot read Urdu, there is only one detailed commentary, to some extent, detailed commentary of 5 volumes. So you can read the 5-volume commentary of the Holy Qur'an. And there are quite a number of articles and speeches and discourses by Muslim out. They have been translated into English. You can read those one. Then you should listen to the khutbahs of the khulafas and their speeches as well. There you can also find out some related subjects, right?
जी.
अच्छा, चलो.